Now, the fifth principle is about creating great feedback. Feedback that enables us to improve our AI, but also to amplify, to turn up that innovative thinking that we know is so important. And there's four ways we can do that, but let's start off with the first one, which is around real-time performance monitoring. And this is where we're tracking KPIs with analytic-driven analytics platforms. And what we can do within those things is have some automated alerts that tell us when we've moved away from our benchmarks, when we're going up or we're going down. It's like, hey, it also enables us to say there might be a potential problem going on here. Let's look at it further. The next thing that we can do is get clear about dual feedback loops. This is when we look at implementing two types of systems. One where we've got a loop that's, collecting all of the data and refining things such as AI algorithms, so very much AI based. But the second loop then is actually using AI to, gather together and analyze all of the feedback from whether it's from team members, customers, or even stakeholders. And the other two feedback mechanisms that we can use to fine-tune our AI and amplify our innovation is to have idea exchanges and A/B testing. And it's pretty simple when we think about it. An idea exchange is where we allow people to share new tools, some new applications, and also what they think they can do to improve the AI. Now, it's important that we don't just rely on some digital idea sharing space. I must admit, I'm not a fan of them because we end up with a giant dump of ideas. It's much better to have templates that get people to self-assess their ideas and use some criteria that makes it really easy for sorting. And the other component is to have A/B testing. And this is when we evaluate the projects of their effectiveness versus the traditional methods of doing it by hand or by our own human effort. And also we can use this in so many different areas. We can use it from marketing strategies to new product features and the sort.